Can you believe that this footage was made with an iPhone 11? Could you imagine if I had one of the newer phones that has super high quality footage? I mean, this is insane. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another episode of photos of what, first off? In this series, we take random objects that companies send to me, sometimes useful, sometimes questionable, and we figure out whether they actually make sense for stock photography. Now, before I open the package, on a side note, I've been wanting to make more videos like this, but it's actually harder than I thought. I already even had one film, but when somebody sends you something, they want full control as to what you say and how you say it on YouTube, and that's not how I do things. So when somebody sends me something, there's a long process. And anyway, let's get to unboxing this and show you what we're taking pictures of today. Oh ho ho, I can already tell this is gonna be cool. There it is. This is the 10x Telephoto Lens Kit by APEXEL? Huh? Somebody obviously knows that I love phone photography. I mean, honestly, this could be really interesting because it solves one of the biggest problems with phone photography. That's getting the real optical magnification without that fuzzy digital look. It's literally optical zoom instead of digital zoom. Now, let's go through, let's see what's in the box first and then go from there. So there's the APEXEL Telephoto Lens, 10x magnification lens. There's also a little clip-on that you can put in your phone. Interesting, huh? There is the macro adjustment thing, the macro ring, and that is a 30mm adapter ring if you want to add CPL filters or not. Then there's also a little eye cup, which is interesting. Oh, I bet. Oh, that's cool. It also has a little ring here for focus, a focusing ring for your phone. And it does stop, which makes it really cool, from 1 meter to infinity. So that is a telephoto. Well, there's some ideas for pictures. Anyway, it also comes with a little lens cleaner because either you clean this or your phone. It's probably for your phone, and the instruction manual, besides the cool case that it comes in. So the big headline feature is that this is a dual function lens. You get 10x telephoto lens, that's roughly 480mm equivalent on your phone. And it's also a macro lens all in one with this little macro adapter. It uses ED glass with 9 element and 12 group construction, which helps reduce that chromatic aberration. Basically fewer purple and green fringes around the bright edges. It also uses a Smith roof prism, which you normally see in high-end binoculars, and that's how it gets better light transmission. It's surprisingly light, and that's because it's built from aircraft-grade aluminum, so it feels solid without making your phone feel ridiculous. It's designed to be universally compatible with this clip-on thing, so it fits most phones. I think it's like 90-something% of phones, which is awesome. And that's pretty much it. So keeping all of that in mind, let's go make some photos and see what we can get with this thing. Looks interesting. Honestly, I'm struggling to see what kind of photos I can make with this because as a phone tool, as a tool for your phone to make photos, it's incredible. Unfortunately, my phone is an iPhone 11 Pro, so it's like 6-7 years old, and it doesn't have the quality that modern phones have. The fact that I could get footage that close and that clear with this phone is just amazing. That tells me that this works with your phone and not against it. Since I don't have a modern phone, I can't tell you if it's good enough quality for stock, but if you're getting a good enough quality from your phone, then this is just gonna enhance it. I went outdoors, I did what it says right here. So you do your, looking through the looking glass, photos like that, photos, macro photos, taking pictures, telephoto photos, like pretending I'm using it because it's a tool, it could be used. Now, because it has a logo here, if I want to sell it for stock, I got to remove that. I got to remove all the writing, which is fine, it's easy in Photoshop. But I got some of those photos and then I was like, how else can I use this, something like this for photos? And you're thinking and you're like, well, it's small enough to fit in your pocket. And yes, I did those photos too. Remember, when you're talking about stock, anything is valid, even with the gray sweatpants. Who knows, they might sell, I don't know. Is it too small? Whatever, it could be used any way you want to, but as far as the quality, I'm honestly impressed. It will enhance how your phone takes pictures, and they do have, APEXEL also has different cases where you can screw that into into the case itself instead of having to use a clip, but because I have an old phone, then this is the other way to clip it. Okay, so when you're mounting the phone, you want to get that clipped on your phone, but you can see that this little thing here adjusts, so you can move that up and down depending on where your phone is. So you want to set it on your main lens, which means right there is wide. How do I go to 1? There we go. That's my main camera lens. You can see that when I put my finger on the wide angle, or the other ones, it doesn't really show up. I've always said that phones work best when we're with controlled environment, when we can control the lighting and bright light. Look at the texture of this leaf. I'm using the phone at the 2x lens that's built into the phone with the APEXEL 10x TeleMacro. It's kind of cool. It's a bit chunky, walking around with the phone with this, and then you do need a tripod because it's focusing, you have a focus ring, and you're so far away or so close that any vibration is exaggerated. So a tripod is very helpful unless your phone has image stabilizer that will help. I mean, you do need something to help you. It's 2 parts, so it's sold as a TeleMacro. That's your telephoto. When you add the macro magnifying glass here, now you have the same lens that does both. So really cool. I like it. For me, I don't know that it's something I'm going to be using a lot because I don't use my phone. But for somebody that's trying to get better quality images, better telephotos, better zoom, better macro from a phone, I think this is a fantastic tool. Anyway, thanks so much, APEXEL, for sending this. I hope some of these photos are going to start selling, and I'll figure out what to do this in a later video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.